So today I'm gonna show you how to install Minecraft free on macOS Mojave. So my current version of macOS is 10.14. So the first step to do to install Minecraft is open Google Chrome and go to google.com and type T launcher. Then click on the first link and download T launcher, and you will just select for Apple as you have macOS. So after installing, be sure that you have already installed Java. So go type Java on Google search for it and click on the first link and just type and just click on free Java download. And after you have downloaded everything, what you're gonna do is the T launcher logo will appear, or you will drag it from the installer. And after that, here is your Minecraft. What you're gonna go do is just double click it and it will automatically launch just like this. So here's the T launcher, the launcher for Minecraft. And so it's the latest version current is 1.13.2. Just go and click enter game, and the app will launch. Here we go. You have Minecraft latest version 1.13.2 on macOS Mojave free. Here we go. Here's your Minecraft. So thanks for watching, and if you do enjoy it, or if you have any question, you can just let me know through comment section. Thank you, and please be sure to subscribe for further updates.